Hello mga beshi! Natapos rin ang aking pagtayo ng 8 oras kaya nagpapahinga po ako ngayon sa pag-angat ng aking paa. Ito po ang buhay ko guys as a sales promoter dito sa UAE. Nagkaroon po kami ng 50% off sale sa makeup. 30% off lang po ang sa L'Oreal at Maybelline na brands. At meron din kaming beauty event, so mga sale po na naman sa mga pampa-beauty items. So our beauty event offers runs from January 24 to February 6, guys. So you can shop in Carrefour, and we have some great deals going on. Just get the brochure, and you can download Carrefour app to view the offers. For skincare, guys, we have amazing offers. Like for the hyaluronic acid eye serum is now 45 dirhams. Before it was 76. L'Oreal eye serum is good for dark circles and plumping the fine lines. And the vitamin C serum, it's now 26. And hyaluronic acid moisturizer. So we have great deals, guys. Nivea have great offers also. Fair and Lovely, Pond's, Neutrogena. And we have Shop, Play and Win in L'Oreal and Maybelline. So if you spend around 149 dirhams on these products, you will get chance to win a trip to Bali. Or it could be a Dyson Airwrap or 70 dirham Carrefour gift card. Woo! So kita nyo guys, lagi po tayong nagmamaganda kasi nasa beauty section po tayo nag-work. Kaya kung may mga katanungan po kayo guys related sa Pampa Beauty, pwede nyo lang po akong i-message at i-comment. Alam nyo guys, ganito ang hitsura ko 13 years ago. At ngayon, tumatanda na, ganito na ang hitsura ko ngayon. Wow! Anyway, so much for that guys. Nagtambay lang talaga ako sa canteen guys. I want to sip some hot drink after the meal. A licorice flavor tea. So after relaxing my feet and the quick meal, I'm ready to go home. Napabili ako sa beauty event guys kasi mura lang ang mga presyo at pandagdag ng cargo. Kaya bili na rin kayo guys sa nearest Carrefour market nyo. Ang layo ng aakyatin ko guys at ang bigat ng aking mga dala. Pero natutuwa ako guys pag may hagdanan kasi magandang workout po yan. Winter po dito ngayon guys kaya nakatalukbong po ako at saka nakacoat. Alam nyo na guys, para iwas sakit, kailangan alagaan ang sarili guys. Nag-aantay ang pamilya natin sa Pilipinas. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.